Okay, everyone, here is today's Solve and Share. Find the measure of angle ABC. Solve this problem any way you choose. So, it's important to remember that our angle is labeled with points. Point A, point B, and point C. If you notice on our protractor, there are two sets of numbers. There are these numbers that go along the top from 0 to 170. And then if you notice the green ray C, still has 10 more degrees, so that would be 180. Think to what we learned last week. There are 180 degrees in a straight angle. So if we had a straight line that followed ray C and went all the way across, that would be in 180 degrees. So you can see this would be 0 if we're using the top numbers. And we're going to 180. All right, if you notice, there's also a set of numbers on the bottom of the protractor here. And they're opposite. They start at 0 and they go around to 180 in the opposite direction. This angle, ABC, is an acute angle. It is less than 90 degrees. And we know that because I can very easily come in and take my pencil and I could draw a straight line up. And that would give us a right angle right here. But we're looking at angle ABC. We know it's less than 90 degrees. So if it's an acute angle, then we're going to use the numbers on the bottom. So if we're measuring from ray C up to ray A, we're going to use the bottom numbers on the protractor because it's an acute angle. And that tells us that our measure of angle ABC is 50 degrees. I hope this helps.